The last function is for report. Our system support the report could be layout. So we could check in our software and also layout this report. Operator charge report. For example, we sorting of one operator how much he charge during a period from here. Now we have a period for 1 day, and this person have registration fee how much, and renewal fee, and also recharge and fee, collect the total, and chargeable. Chargeable means for temporary cards. Collected how much he collected, and also for self payment how much. After finish, maybe we print out or exit. Okay, this is a function we also could use starting from by the time. Okay. Exit. Second is parking fee report. We want to know how much we got for 1 day, so we sorting from the date, and it will show how much and how many categories of money we got. We will show how many total payments received, how much. It's easy for operator, and it's easy for manager to check the operator how much charge. View, print, and exit. Okay. The third one is entrance traffic. For example, we want to make a rule for entrance, so we sorting how many cars go in our parking lot. So we sorting a time from maybe 1 month. We sorting. Okay. 1 month, how many temporary car and how many truck and how many bus, like this. We will calculate the number, because our system no records, just this function cannot show, so we just show how it's working and how to click, print, and also exit. And also we could check the exit traffic. Same functions as the enter. You could choosing period, choosing time here, and then the count will be shown. View, print, and exit. Okay, here is all the using functions for this software, and also we need to introduce another one, and you could change the shift schedule from here, and you also could check the total fee and the total cash out card and information from here, print, or you can change very quickly. Okay, after you finish 1 day working, you could exit, so just log out. And also have another functions for about if you have some problems in using, you could contact with us by this information. Okay, so finish all. This is all the functions of our parking system. If you have any problems in using and some improvement opinions, you can contact with us. We will consider your opinion and offer the best service. Okay, thank you so much for listening and watching.